Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really easy tutorial. It's pretty quick on how to make your own eczema cream kind of ointment. I have had eczema forever, since I was probably, I don't know, 12 is probably as early as I can remember it. And it's always been kind of a struggle. I do think it's kind of correlated a lot with dairy products, so kind of keep that in mind if you are going to try this. I wouldn't just let it be the ointment. I have kind of a steroid cream that I use when it gets really bad, but I believe that my daughter also has some too. And I'm not really looking to put her on any kind of steroid cream. So I started doing a lot of research about oils, and I found kind of a recipe that I kind of took a bunch of ingredients from other people that they would recommend and put it into a mixture. So the oils that I used, I've tried doTERRA and I've tried Young Living. I don't have complaints about any of the oils I've tried, but I ended up buying the Eden's line. So it's the Eden's Garden. Looks like this right here. And I saw that on several influencers were recommending Eden's Garden, you know, on Instagram, so I just thought I would try it. And I primarily love the fact that it was so much less money than doTERRA or even Young Living. So I decided just to try it and see what I thought. So I got several different kinds, and two of them are roller balls, which are already kind of like pre-mixed. And one of them is called Healthy Hero. Looks like this, and I put this on my little girl's feet every night. She goes to school during the day, kind of like preschool daycare, and all the germs in the world live there. And so we also do like a multivitamin with probiotic and elderberry syrup, but I wanted something that I could put on her feet every night, and I swear that this stuff works. So we've been using this brand for about a week or two, so we'll see. I'll keep you posted if I think that that's worth it. The other one I got is called the Aches and Pains Roller. Our daughter is so tall and she will not stop growing, and she wakes up with really like kind of knots in her little calves, and her dad had this really bad growing up from like age 2 to 8, and I think she is following suit, and like her little calves will just be like knotted. So we try to like up her potassium and water, but this has been working amazingly. I've used this probably the past 5 nights on her calves, and so far we have not woken up at all. So again, I'll keep you posted on it. But the reason for this video is making your own eczema ointment. This is kind of what it looks like after I've made it. It's, you know, not super pretty looking, but that's okay. The smell of it, I don't know, it's not bad. It doesn't stink, I don't think. But the tutorial following this just kind of walks you through the steps of my process of how I made it. Literally took me, I don't know, 5 minutes to make, which is kind of awesome. And then you just let it sit overnight, or you can put it in your fridge if you want it to harden faster. So if you want to make your own eczema cream, then keep watching. So that is it. The cream as it's done now, show you the consistency, kind of looks like this. It's kind of like solvy almost. Next time when I do it, I'm going to use less coconut oil. I think I got, sorry, just rubbing that in. Yeah. It's kind of greasy, but I mean, all it is coconut oil, shea butter, and the oils that I used. So I used the Copaiba from the Eden's line. This was mentioned so many times online when I was doing research about what to put in the ointment. So I used that, and then a lavender. And there's like 3 different types of lavenders with Eden's. And I used the French lavender. Lavender is really good for anti-inflammatory, which, you know, eczema is very like in kind of inflamed skin. But this one reminds me of a day spa. No, I don't know. I just really like the way that it smells. I just chose to choose the French kind. You can just do regular, and you don't have to do Eden's. You can do any brand that you want. Those are the 3, Eden's, doTERRA, and Young Living are the 3 that I always see though. And the Copaiba, I don't even know what to tell you. It smells like kind of medicinal. Okay, it says plant part balsam. That would make sense. And then it kind of gives you like the breakdown of it. So I don't know, it's really cool. And the other thing that I liked about this company is they send you like a whole booklet of things to do with their oils, and on the front of it it's 150 ways to use your essential oils. So I don't know. I am going to be making my own spray to kind of help prevent lice. I'm not really interested in going down that road at all from school, and I will definitely share that with you guys too. So if you have any questions, let me know. I've been using this cream on my daughter's kind of eczema area for, it's just kind of like this weird little like rash behind her knee, which is pretty common for eczema to go. I've been using it for about a week, and I feel like it could be helping. Eczema is really touchy, and like I said earlier, I think it has a lot to do with dairy intake, so we've kind of been watching that too. So I will keep you guys posted on how I think it's working. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye!